Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Leena and these are the headlines. Goa will get thunderstorms accompanied by lightning at a few places till 7th October. Heavy rain at isolated places on 6th. Maximum minimum temperatures likely to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Reginald makes peace with Girish, says all demands met, announced now with Congress on birthday. Lotoli locals, Panchayat decide to gherao government officials, alleging that they are not bothered about illegal hill cutting. And now for the news in detail. People have been regularly going up in arms over illegal constructions. Many times the locals blame the local bodies for doing nothing. But here is in Lotoli, the local panchayat along with locals decided to gherao government officials in their offices, alleging that they are least bothered.
Hill cutting in Ward 5 of the Lotoli has taken a serious turn. A complaint was filed with the panchayat saying hills are being cut to convert them into the plots. Acting on the complaint, the panchayat had issued notices to the concerned party. Accordingly, an inspection was planned, but TCP and flying squad failed to calm upsetting locals and the panchayat. Complainant Arvinda Costa gave details.
आज आम्ही एकठांय जाले हिंगा हिल काटिंग चलता लोतोली देवटीर आणि हिंगा हिल काटिंग चलता आम्ही एक फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडाक एक एप्लिकेशन बरोवन गायलोले ऑन द 30th आज पासून दॅट इज ऑन लास्ट थर्सडे आज पासून ते येयले नाही काल येत म्हणले काल येऊ नाही आमचे भुरगे हिंगा रावन गेले आज येत म्हणले आज पासून गेले सकाळ पासून कोण येलो नाही आता आमगे ते गेले थिंग इज हिंगा हेंच्या पळय वय तुमचो चोयला आता आसतले हिल काटिंग चलता ते सायडीन दोन प्लॉट आहे ते दोन इकले तेमी that is 140A bar A and 140 bar B. So त्यांका access नासतना ते plot कोण निघले. That is about like altogether the area is like 4,825,000 square meters area. So ते दोन plot कोण निघले एक हा तो 300 square meters एक हा तो 600 square meters. So कित्या लागू केला ऑथोरी 4,000 square meters इंकिता जाय त्यांका open space करून पडा. Open space वर जाल्या जो road गोताय तो 6 meter आत केला तो 6 meter आत तो 8 meter करून पडा. Just to save all these things तेमी ते केला आणि आता ते कन्वर्शन केला. हिल काटिंग तुम्ही केला ते तुमचं आसतलें हिल काटिंग एज पर द TCP Act 17A जे पॉट हिल काटिंग जाता ते 1 मिटरा वयर जावपा जायना ते सगळें हिल काटिंग केलां तेच्या वयर कितलें आहा ते हिल काटिंग करून आख्खें ते लेवल करतले ते सारकें आनी लेवल करतले गव्हर्मेंट आमकां सांगता सदांच तुमी एनवायरमेंट सेव करपा जाय पूण गव्हर्मेंटूच कितें करता हितून कोण इन्वॉल्व आतां आमकां खबर ना.
Panchayat issued notice to the owner of the land. He was asked to show permission from TCP. However, there was no reply. In first round, Forest and Survey Department conducted the inspection. However, during second round, no one showed up. Panchayat alleged and threatened to carry out their offices for not coming on site despite appointments.
आमचे एक स्टॉप नोटीस काढल्या आणि 17A ची परमिशन्स किती आहाय जाल्या मागले स्टाफ दोन पार्टी को तिगे घराको केला सो दिस थिंग वॉज नॉट ए ओनर वॉज नॉट ए सो आता सेक्रेटरी ओन आय विल पेस्ट इट ऑन द डोर पयलींनी तिने सब डिव्हिजन फायल काडलेली प्लॉट्स करपाक आणि पंचायतान पयली लायसन्स दिल ना ड्यू टू वेरियस रिजन कित्याक ती 4,800 ती एरिया आलो पयली बाकी सो तेणी कितें केला आउट ऑफ दॅट 3,900 एंड समथिंग तेणी दवरल्या सो ओनली टू स्केप द ओपन स्पेस टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एरिया आणि ते दोन पयली तेणी हें केलें आनी तेंगेले कोणाक नांवार केले तेच हें केलें आनी ती फायल हें करून मागीर ती एपीला गेले पंचायत लायसन्स दिना एपीला गेले सो बीडीओन ऑर्डर पास केल्या आणि बेस्ड ऑन द बीडीओ ऑर्डर सेक्रेटरीन ती तांकां प्रोविजनल एनओसी इश्यू केले सो हिल कटिंगा तेणी कितें परमिशन्स केले ते आमकां तेणी कांय दिलें ना पंचायतान कांय सबमीट केलें.
I have been on the site. I have seen what exactly it is. There's a height of almost more than 5 meters which has been cut. So I have written a complaint to the TCP and to the Panchayat as well. So based on my complaint, now the Panchayat has sent a stop notice wherein for them to accept the stop notice, this Rita George, who is the owner of the land, is not available. So the staff went yesterday as well and today as well. So both the times she has not been available at home. So now we are going to go in another file as soon as you are leave. We are leaving with the secretary to paste it on her door, because secretary has to be there to paste it on the door. So we are going to go and do that. And as of what has been mentioned, we have asked her to give us the permission what she has got under the TCP Act under 17A to give us the permission whether she's got the permission to do the heel cutting. Wherein she has, as of knowledge what I have, she has not been given permission, because yesterday we had the officials from the forest who had come and inspected. Simultaneously, officials from the survey department also came, and they have also inspected the site. And we were given assurance yesterday evening by Mr. Ganesh Gaonkar that the officials will be coming today at 11 o'clock, and now it is past 12 o'clock. And I've been constantly calling to find out why the officials have not yet come. The official, the surveyor who had come yesterday, he's been taken by another officer to Darbandora, wherein he was supposed to be in Lotuli. He was supposed to be in my ward for this particular inspection. So I have spoken to the deputy collector, and he has said in the next 15 minutes, at like 12:15, I told him I will call him up. So if we are not getting any assurance, if they are not coming, we all people are going to be gathering out and going to the office. That is because we want justice. You cannot just cut off the heels like that and make it into a land over there and make plots and say that's not right.
Ramesh Naikarat Fugwa, 365 from Lotlim.
Maverick Kurtori MLA Reginald Lawrence made peace with Girish Sodankar and on his birthday confirmed that all his conditions had been met and he would remain with the Congress. Here are the details.
Reginald admitted that he was upset with the Congress and had indeed spoken to other parties to find an alternative in Goa. However, he had then spoken to the Congress High Command and a peace had been brokered wherein all his demands and conditions had been met. Listen to what Girish and the Gambar had to say.
Here, goinche sort core issues are thing compromise जावपाक जायना, and we are all with that idea that at any cost those core areas, core issues should be kept in mind. हे सगळे करता आसतना गोंयचे वेगवेगळ्या सिव्हिल सोसायटीचे मेंबर्स इन्वॉल्व जाले, वेगवेगळे टीम इन्वॉल्व जाल्यो हो इश्यू रिजॉल्व करपाक आसतना आमी तेंचे नंतर सांगतले तुमकां, पण तांकांय थँकफूल म्हणटात. आनी रेजिनाल्ड बाबान एक व्हडपण दाखयलें ह्या हितूंतल्यान सगळे, आनी एक मान्य जालें की आमी सगळे एक युनायटेडली फायट करतले म्हणून. आनी रेजिनाल्डाचे जितले इश्यू आशिल्ले एकूय इश्यू पर्सनल लेवलाचेर नाशिल्लो. इट वॉज आयदर ऑफ कुर्तरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी और इट वॉज ऑन द लार्जर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा. आनी त्या खातीर आयज आमी सगळे एक जावन युनायटेडली फायट करपाचें ठरयलां. वॉट एवर ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट इज ड्यू टू मिस्टर रेजिनाल्ड बाब. इट वील बी गिवन फ्रॉम गोवा एज वेल एज फ्रॉम Delhi. Delhi leadership also has assured him. At the same time, whatever is due for him, कित्याक काँग्रेसीच आयज ज्या स्थितीर आमी पावल्ले आसात ताचेर खुबशें कंट्रिब्युशन रेजिनाल्ड बाबाचें आसा.
There was speculation that Reginald was leaving Congress after his running fight with Girish and the way he was treated by Congress High Command for the past 5 years, despite being the face of the Congress. However, on the day of his birthday, he made it clear that he won't leave the Congress.
Right, as speculation as Sunny Salwahulai, it is a fact. Let me not begin by telling wrong things. Let me begin by telling you that speculations were right. A lot of speculations were going on. A lot of parties, a lot of people approached me with a lot of issues how to go about, what to do. I met a lot of people these days. We have taken opinion from a lot of people. आणि जायत लोकां मेळ्ळ मुगे ओपिनियन वॉयस कोन मुगे डिफरन्सीस ओपिनियन डिफरन्स ऑफ ओपिनियन पासून लोकांक उलय पार्टी कडेन उलय आमगे कितें इश्यूज आहाय ते लार्जर पिक्चर म्हणलो गोंय कितें जावपा जाय फुडें आमगे इश्यू फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी द स्टेट ऑफ द लॉ सिट्युएशन इन गोवा वॉट गोवा गोइंग टू बिकम ऑल दीस इश्यूज मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कितको जावपा जाय हे सगळे इश्यूज आमी पार्टी कडेन उलयले लोकां जाय की आमी सगळ्यांनी युनायटेडली बीजेपी फायट करपाचें सो आमगे एक पॉयंट आहा आनी सदां स्पेक्युलेशन्स म्हणजे सदां आहा आजी ना म्हणजे स्पेक्युलेशन्स बट in the interest of the people, in the interest of the go, I have taken a decision, or it is not I, it is we have taken a decision to fight the BJP. So we are very clear. In few words, I would like to say that we are all united. to fight against the BJP. As a Congress party, and the aspirations of the people are, लोकांगे एक मत हा की सगळ्यांक युनाइटेडली फाइट करपाचें.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Saligao police arrested 24-year-old Bhushan Jadhav from Dhure, Satara for breaking into a house at Saligao and stealing property worth 1.50 lakh rupees. Accused was planning to flee from Goa when the police nabbed him from a hotel room at Sawantwada, Mandre and recovered all the stolen articles and 77,500 rupees cash from his possession.
Dilzan Badia from Saligao, native of Parel, Mumbai, filed a complaint about the theft. The accused had decamped with a smartphone, Bluetooth speaker, car key, car's documents and an ATM card. He also withdrew 80,000 rupees in 8 different transactions. Accordingly, police traced him at Mandre and arrested him. The police have recovered the stolen items. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Gaurav Vado defeated Umta Vado in finals of 4th Interward football tournament organized by United Boys of Khobra Vado at Poriat Ground, Kalangut. Gaurav Vado defeated Umta Vado by 2-0 in the finals.
A total of 10 teams from each Kalangut ward participated in the tournament for straight 10 days. Only Gaurav Vado and Umta Vado made it to the finals. Jovito Fernandes was awarded the player of the tournament, Sanjay Vengurlekar as best midfielder, Alistair Fernandes as best forward, Desmond Miranda as best defender and Francis Fernandes as best goalkeeper. The tournament was organized by Akhil and Mitesh Devkar of United Boys of Khobra Vado. MGP Supremo Ramakrishna Sudin Tharlikar was chief guest and Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo was presiding guest during finals.
I'm also proud to have your young MLA and Honorable Minister Michael D'Souza along with me, all Sarpanch, Panch, members of the club, President, especially national player Bruno, हांगा हजर आशिल्ले सगळे यंगस्टर्स, फुटबॉल लवर्स, भाव आनी भयणी खूब आनंद जालो. First of all, I congratulate the winners of the tournament and also runners-up and those who have taken a part in this particular tournament. And also I congratulate the Khobra Vado boys who has taken a keen interest in organizing this good event. I came all the way from Madgai with the love of Kalangut and also your MLA Michael D'Souza. Michael Lobo. Michael D'Souza is a joint secretary of finance.
तेका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थिंगा हिंगासर येयला म्हणून ह्या गेमींग तेणें सोब हाडली हिंगा येवन खबरा वाडो बॉयज जेणी तेका आपयला तेणी तेंकाय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक बरें काम तेंच्यांनी केलां की रायट फ्रॉम मडकय दे ब्रॉट द लायन फ्रॉम देर अप टू कलंगूट. थँक्यू बॉयज. एंड आनीकदां सगळ्यांक हिंगासूर खबरा वाडो बॉयज आनी बाकीचे सगळे फुटबॉल लवर्स हिंका हांव सगळ्यांक आनीकदां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी येयले सोबा हाडली म्हणून गेमींग.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Now for some weather. Thunderstorm accompanied with lightning is very likely at few places across Goa till 7th of October. There will be heavy rainfall at isolated places on 5th and 6th, but light to moderate rainfall at many places till 9th of October. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively.
IMD has warned of light fog and haze in the early morning of 6th and partly cloudy skies over the remainder of the day. There is no weather warning issued and high wave warning too has been lowered as cyclonic conditions have eased over the Arabian Sea. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.